My, have you have grown. It's amazing. These guys were the size of an egg 3 weeks ago. They've gotten so much bigger. They've already eaten once. Here come the other 7. It's a little bit windy today, and we're forecasted for rain 3 or 4 days later in the week. I guess it'll be the beginning of our rainy season. The firemen and the reptiles will be happy, and the level of the lake will be coming up to the grass. In the summertime, sometimes it gets all the way up to here. Doesn't get to the light too often. It didn't rain that much during the hurricane, so we didn't live by a canal or get flooded like everybody else. Okay, gonna grab some food and feed these guys one more time again. Have a great day, everybody.